The size of a primary forest is an important indicator for assessing the state of the forest ecosystem. Though primary forests still represent a little more than a third of the world's forest area, they have been shrinking by about 60,000 kilometers per year over the last 15 years. While the loss has been slowing down in some regions, it has been increasing in others. Each year, 3 billion to 6 billion trees are cut down, causing forest fragmentation and loss of many habitats. In the rainforest, fragmentation is irreversible. Even in the Rocky Mountain, where forest trees can be replanted, it still takes hundreds of years for it to reach the original tree's size. Deforestation is the #1 reason for species going extinct and the biggest contributor to global warming. Forests influence climate change largely by affecting the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. When forests grow, carbon dioxide is removed from the atmosphere and absorbed into wood, leaves, and soil.
Forests are classified into different types as shown. Modified natural forests are the largest percentage, followed by primary forests. Primary forests and modified natural forests are comprised of native forestry species only. Semi-natural forests are the result of assisted natural regeneration, planting, or seeding of the forest. Forest plantations are defined as forests of introduced or native species that have been established through planting or seeding with few species and are evenly planted. Instead of living away from nature in big cities, we should go back to living with nature around us. By eliminating or even minimizing deforestation, it's not only a better way to live for mankind, but it will also help prevent the loss of many species bettering our world.
Canis lupus, also known as the gray wolf or the timber wolf, once native not only to Colorado but also most of the U.S., and were estimated to be over 2 million. Today their range has been reduced to Canada and the following portions of the United States: Alaska, Idaho, Michigan, Minnesota, Montana, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. Mexican wolves are found in New Mexico and Arizona. Now only 5,000 wolves live in the U.S., and the wolf population around the world is estimated to be 200,000.
The pack is comprised of at least an alpha male and female. The alpha male is dominant over the entire pack, and the alpha pair are the only ones that breed, while the rest of the pack help to raise the pups.
The average size of a litter is 5 to 6 pups. It takes about 2 months for the pups to become independent. Howling is for long-distance communication, to pull the pack back together, and to keep strangers away. The gray wolf is known to reach speeds of 40 miles per hour when chasing its prey. The gray wolf is a carnivore and hunts in packs of 2 to 20 wolves. Wolf hunting territories can range from 50 square miles to over 1,000, and they can travel as far as they need to in order to find prey. Wolves play an essential role in maintaining the health of ecosystems. Wolves prey mostly on animals that are young or elderly, sick or injured, and weak or unfit, thus keeping prey populations healthy and vigorous. Also, wolves help prevent deer and elk from becoming overpopulated. They help maintain native biodiversity and help prevent overgrazing that may destroy the plant base, making the habitat less suitable for other species. Wolves can thrive in a diversity of habitats, from the tundra to woodlands, forests, grasslands, and deserts. Alaska is one of the few places where wolves still live in their native habitat and are not protected by the Endangered Species Act. The wolf population of Montana and Greater Yellowstone area have stopped growing, and the numbers now bounce up and down each year. Essentially, the growth of the last few years has come from Idaho.